Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. Today guys, I'll be showing you guys how to use a washing machine. And please, before we start, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And please smash the like button. Let's right into the video. And please make sure you watch the full video for a better understanding. The first thing you do, which we all know, is for you to put the clothes inside the washing machine. I think that should be the first step. After you have finished putting the clothes inside the washing machine, then you have to turn on where the water is connected from so that the water can run into the washing machine. Then after that, you're going to see a place called water selector. The place is it consists of both the spin and wash. Since you are going to wash, you're going to put it in wash so that the water can get into the side of the wash. Then you can start washing. After you have finished putting the water, if you know the water is enough that the water can wash the clothes very well, what you have to do is you're going to turn off where the water is connected from the back or anywhere the water is connected from. Then after that, you get your detergent, put any amount you want, then you can start washing. Now you see a place called the wash selector. In the wash selector, you see a place called gentle, normal, strong. I normally use strong, normal, gentle sometimes. But you can choose the one you want. Depends on the clothes you want to wash. Then after that, you go to wash timer. In the wash timer, you can put it in 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Depends on the time you want. Then once you put it on the wash timer, any digit, then you can start. For this ones here, I've already finished spinning them, but I will show you guys how I spin them or how I dry them. I'll show you guys. Just keep on washing. You see how I spin these ones, and I also show you how I rinse them, because you can also rinse and dry in this particular spinning session. You can rinse there and you can also spin them there and dry them too. So just keep on washing.
Sure, I the video. We are follow for it.
Not a game, it's a rich thing.
Immediately you finish washing, the next thing that will come to your mind is, how will I spin this clothes, or how will I rinse it? Immediately you put the clothes in the spin session, you have to change to the water. You have to change to the water selector. Since the water selector is still in wash, you have to change it to spin, so that the water will flow into the spin side, and you can rinse the clothes there. As you are rinsing the clothes, you have to on the time selector, so that it can be rinsing the whole clothes in a circular motion. So that's how you do it. Make sure the water should be pouring the spin side, and the water you should also set the time selector, so that it can be spinning at the same time, rinsing the whole clothes. Immediately you know that the clothes are finished rinsing, you off the water, then you allow it to spin. You set your time, then you allow it to spin, then your clothes will be dried, then you are done.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.